Relieving constipation, a journey toward a healthier gut. Imagine a traffic jam where cars are stalled and tightly packed, unable to move forward. Something similar happens in our body when the digestive tract slows down and waste can no longer flow freely. This condition, commonly known as constipation, manifests through infrequent or absent bowel movements, dry and compact stools that are difficult to pass, often accompanied by an uncomfortable sensation of heaviness and incomplete intestinal emptying. Having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week can also be a clear sign of constipation, and ignoring the issue may lead to serious consequences. Sluggish intestinal transit encourages the accumulation of waste inside the colon, creating ideal conditions for chronic inflammation, bacterial overgrowth, disorders like diverticulitis or hemorrhoids, and even damage to the pelvic floor muscles due to excessive straining during defecation. Fortunately, there are several strategies to stimulate bowel activity, improve colon health, and address the root causes of constipation. Let's explore 6 natural and effective approaches. 1. Activate the colon with bile acids. Bile is an essential liquid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder that aids in fat digestion and helps lubricate the intestinal tract. In many people, bile production is insufficient, often due to a sluggish gallbladder or a fatty liver. This results in thicker bile, which is less effective at promoting stool transit. Taking supplements that contain bile acids can be extremely helpful. It's recommended to take them on an empty stomach in the morning and again with meals to promote intestinal peristalsis. These supplements go by various names, including bovine bile extract, bile salts, and digestive enzyme blends. Always check labels carefully to choose the right product. However, it's important to note that these supplements may not be suitable for everyone. Individuals with gallstones, liver conditions, or those taking specific medications should avoid them or consult a physician first to prevent potential side effects such as nausea, cramping, or digestive imbalance. 2. Targeted hydration, water and sea salt. One of the main causes of constipation is dehydration. When the body doesn't receive enough fluids or loses important electrolytes, the intestine dries out and stools become compacted, making them harder to pass. To counter this, drink a large glass of water, about half a liter, with a pinch of sea salt in the morning. This helps restore fluid balance and stimulates digestive juices. Sea salt, rich in natural minerals, contributes to the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, promoting more efficient digestion. It's also worth remembering that excess caffeine from coffee or tea can worsen dehydration and exacerbate constipation. 3. Feed your gut bacteria with prebiotic fiber. The gut microbiota plays a key role in digestive health. A healthy gut is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria that help break down food and eliminate waste. However, a diet high in refined sugars and processed flours can disrupt this balance and reduce microbial diversity. To strengthen gut flora, it's essential to consume foods rich in soluble fiber, including chia seeds, avocado, leafy greens, Brussels sprouts, sauerkraut, nuts, hummus, and other fermented vegetables. By providing fuel to beneficial bacteria, these foods enhance their ability to support digestion, contributing indirectly to smoother intestinal transit and a balanced internal environment. 4. Apple cider vinegar, a natural digestive tonic. If constipation is accompanied by digestive issues like acidity, bloating, or reflux, it's likely that your stomach isn't producing enough acid. Gastric acid needs to maintain a low pH to activate pancreatic enzymes. When pH levels rise too much, digestion slows down and waste builds up. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can help restore optimal gastric acidity. It's best to use unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, a natural substance rich in enzymes and probiotics. You can take 1 to 2 capsules before meals or a tablespoon of vinegar diluted in water. This remedy encourages the release of digestive enzymes and helps your intestines function properly. 5. Senna, a fast-acting herbal laxative. One of the most effective herbal remedies for acute constipation is Senna, a plant that contains compounds that stimulate intestinal muscles. Brewing a tea with Senna leaves and drinking it up to 3 times daily can significantly speed up bowel movements. However, this treatment is recommended only for short-term use, up to 7 days, as prolonged use may impair colon muscle tone and lead to laxative dependence, worsening the issue. Some people may also experience side effects such as abdominal cramps, dehydration, or electrolyte imbalance. For chronic constipation, it's better to adopt more sustainable dietary and lifestyle habits over time. 6th, B vitamins, neurological support for digestion. Many individuals with constipation also experience vitamin deficiencies, especially in thiamine, vitamin B1. This micronutrient is essential for nervous system function and regulating peristaltic movements. Diets high in sugar, refined grains, and processed foods can deplete the body's B vitamin stores. A B1 deficiency can disrupt communication between the brain and gut, slowing motility and worsening constipation. Chronic stress also rapidly depletes B-complex vitamins, further impairing digestion. To remedy this, it's advisable to take targeted supplements or eat foods naturally rich in B1, such as garlic and nutritional yeast. Stretching exercises to stimulate bowel movement. Physical activity, even light movement, plays a vital role in stimulating the digestive system. Movement activates the smooth muscles of the intestine, promoting peristalsis and easing the flow of waste. For this reason, targeted exercises can be a valuable support in relieving constipation. In addition to dietary and supplement-based remedies, specific physical exercises can activate bowel function and provide natural, immediate relief. 1. Seated spinal twist. Sit comfortably on the floor, cross your left leg over your right, and bend the right leg, bringing the foot close to your hip. Place your right elbow on your left knee and slowly twist your torso to the left, looking over your shoulder. Hold the pose, breathing deeply, then switch sides. Second wind relieving pose. Lie on your back and bring your knees to your chest, wrapping your arms around them. Press your back into the floor, tuck your chin, and hold the position for at least 10 seconds. Repeat several times. This pose helps relieve pressure caused by gas buildup and promotes waste elimination. 3. Supine spinal twist. Lie on your back, extend your arms in a T shape, and bend one leg. Let the bent leg gently fall over the other while keeping your shoulders flat on the floor. Breathe deeply and hold the position for a few seconds, then repeat on the other side. When practiced regularly, these exercises offer numerous benefits. They increase blood flow to the abdominal area, stimulate the intestinal muscles, and make bowel movements easier. They are especially effective when performed at strategic times of day. In the morning, shortly after waking, the body is naturally more responsive to physical stimuli. This is a great time for a brief stretching session to kickstart intestinal transit. Likewise, after main meals, when digestion is in full swing, light exercises can help optimize peristalsis and move waste through the digestive tract more efficiently. Consistently incorporating these movements can help maintain regularity and a lighter, healthier body over time. In conclusion, fighting constipation doesn't necessarily require harsh medications or extreme measures. With small daily habits, proper nutrition, the right supplements, and simple physical movements, you can restore balance to your gut and enjoy greater lightness and well-being. Try out one or more of the suggestions shared here and observe how your body responds. Even a small change can make a big difference in your digestive health. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any content, and thanks for watching this video.